AI is changing everything. People are using it to make money, save time, and even run businesses without leaving their room. In 2025, if you're not using AI to create an extra income stream, you're leaving money on the table. Today, I'll show you the best AI side hustles you can start right now with simple tools anyone can use. Let's go straight into it. Stay with me till the end because I'll share the side hustle that has the biggest income potential in 2025. Side hustle. 1. AI content creation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, or social media content for businesses. Many small businesses don't have time to write content. You can offer AI-powered writing as a service. Example, you charge $50 to $100 per blog post. AI helps you finish in 30 minutes. Side hustle 2. AI YouTube automation. Create faceless YouTube channels using AI voiceovers, stock videos, and AI editing tools. Niches like finance, motivation, and AI tutorials are blowing up. YouTube pays through ads, and you can also earn from sponsors. Side hustle 3. AI graphic design tools like Canva. AI and Midjourney let you design logos, social media posts, and ads quickly. You don't need to be a professional designer. AI helps create stunning designs. You can sell these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to local businesses. Side Hustle 4. AI tutoring and courses. Many people want to learn AI but don't know where to start. You can create simple AI tutorials using tools like CHAT, GPT, or Gemini. Package them into an online course or YouTube channel. Side Hustle 5. AI social media management. Small businesses need daily posts, captions, and content ideas. With AI, you can schedule posts, write captions, and analyze engagement in minutes. Charge clients a monthly fee, for example, $200 to $500 per month. Side Hustle 6. AI resume and cover. Letter writing job seekers struggle to write good resumes and cover letters. AI can help create professional resumes fast. You can charge $30 to $100 per client. Side Hustle 7. AI-powered ebooks. Use ChatGPT to write ebooks in trending niches like health, self-help, or business. Sell them on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Ebooks give you passive income once they're published. Side Hustle 8. AI translation services. AI tools can translate text into multiple languages. Offer translation services for businesses that want to reach global customers. Example, translate websites, ads, or documents for $50 to $200 per job. Side hustle. 9. AI stock trading assistants. Use AI-powered trading bots or tools to analyze stock and crypto trends. You don't need to be an expert trader. AI gives signals and insights. Be careful with risk, but many people are making side income this way. Side Hustle 10. AI Virtual Assistant. Offer yourself as a VA who uses AI to be more efficient. Handle emails, scheduling, customer service, and research for busy people. With AI, you can manage multiple clients and earn more. So there you have it. 10 AI side hustles you can start in 2025. Some are quick gigs, others can grow into full businesses. The important thing is to pick one and start. Don't wait for the perfect time because AI is moving fast and early. Starters always win. Which one of these side hustles would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos on making money with AI, hit the like button and subscribe to Dollar Decision so you don't miss the next one.